Hi guys, I'm glad to see you back, and today is a big testing day. I have a bunch of different paint protection film. Gloss red, silver, matte black, gloss black, you name it. All these colors are paint protection film. And I'm getting a lot of questions if you can use colored paint protection film for color change wraps. And we're gonna test it today. Today we will wrap 2 panels and we will answer main question if paint protection film can perform same as vinyl wrap, especially when you're wrapping corners and edges. Let's check what colors do we have inside the box. Okay, as you see, we have a clear PPF. As well, we have a sky blue, and you can see gloss red. Okay guys, let's do it. So far, I really love finish. Gloss level is just insane. Can't wait to see how it's gonna look on the panel. Paint protection film comes with protective cap, which you need to remove before installing on the car. So guys, let's start with the rear doors. On clear PPF, when installing it, you can see water if it's still under the film, but with this product you can't see it. So far, it's completely different product and it's really hard to compare to anything else on the market. And yeah, I'm just challenging myself to do this kind of really tricky part in one piece. But I'm running into some troubles, that's why I'm doing kind of relief cut, and I wanna see if you actually can overlap this product and if it's gonna stay or not. Definitely takes way more time to install it because it's wet application, but maybe just need a bit more time with testing different installation styles. Maybe use different slip solution, maybe to adjust stack solution, maybe even leave it overnight till it completely dries, and then you can push around the edges. But so far, you can wrap full panel in it, because if you're a wrapper, you should know that this spot, it's not easy to do. Normally it's 2 options now. If you have enough skills, you will wrap it in one piece. If you don't have enough skills, you will put an inlay inside. But I'm trying to do it with PPF in one piece. It's challenging. Actually, it's very easy to wrap around the edges. It was just a bit dry, and I used my glove, just pushed around, and it stayed there straight away. This is really impressive. Okay guys, I think this recess is a bit too difficult for this paint protection film. Let's trim it and make it nice and clean line. You know what? Let's do handle in pink. Should look really good next to the blue. Very rubber. Second panel is wrapped. As you see, you can wrap handles as well. It's not as easy as wrapping with vinyl wrap, but you can do it. Takes extra time. I really like result. Its color is very deep, very bright. It's really impressive. One downside with this product that it takes longer to install it, but finish is really good. I also noticed heavy orange peel after installation, but later on we realized that actually it's not a product, because when you put product next to the panel you can see it's like glass, but problem is in actual car paint. If you see, car paint have heavy orange peel, and this product shows it. And if you want to get this finish, your car paint must be perfect, because this product not gonna hide imperfections on your car. What I really like about this product, that this film actually have a body into it. And normally, if you're a wrapper, you need to use like new buffers because you can scratch it easily. But on this product, I can push really hard. It's no single scratch. Top coat is very stiff because it's paint protection film and actually self-healing. If it's not enough squeegee to show you, let's go for wire brush. Listen for the sound. And if it's gonna be gloss vinyl, you're done. But because it's paint protection film, let's use heat gun and check if we can remove them. And it's like new again. But what is really cool part, that even if your customer use some really dirty rag and cleans his car like really pushing hard, heavy, you can't get any single scratch. This product have very tough top coat. Because I was able to get scratches only when I used wire brush. That's impressive. So the conclusion is that yes, you can wrap entire car using this product, but you will need extra time. It's wet application. Yes, you can wrap around the edge. Yes, you can wrap around the corners. Yes, finish looks really good, and it's paint protection film. Downside, as I mentioned, you need extra time to do that properly. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope I answered all your questions. If you have more questions, don't hesitate and leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer all of them. Also, thank you GSWF for sending all these samples. I'm really impressed with this product, and I hope use it in the future and test it a bit more. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.